Good morning, students. I am Anurag, SST teacher. Today, I am going to teach class 5, chapter 1. Earth, the blue planet. Okay, a student, in this chapter today, I will talk about and I will discuss all the question answer. It means exercise of chapter 1. Is it clear? Yes. Before starting the class, yes, everybody tell me how are you all? Okay, yes, obviously you all are fine and you all are taking care yourself. Okay, students? Yes. Okay, so let's start our exercise of chapter 1, the Earth, blue planet. Okay. Before starting the exercise, yes, in this chapter we learned about 7 continents and 5 ocean of the earth. Okay, student? Yes. And according to that topic, we are exercising ourselves. Okay, so let's start. Yes, here yes, match the column. First, match the column. Africa, in the column A, Africa, Atlantic Ocean, Australia, Arctic Ocean and River Amazon. And in column B, the smallest ocean, South America, Sahara Desert, Assep Basin, island continent. Okay. So these are the features about the ocean and the continent, and we have to match the column A to column B. Okay. So let's start. Yes, Africa. Yes, Africa. Yes, 1. Okay, and right here 1. Okay, because Sahara Desert is the hottest desert in the world who exists in Africa. Okay, students. So that's why Sahara Desert. Okay, match to Africa. Now Atlantic Ocean. Yes, Atlantic Ocean separate North America and South America. Okay, to Europe and Asia continent, and it is in the shape of S. So obviously Atlantic Ocean. Yes, you write here 2. Okay, left it. It is it. Yes, and then after Australia. Yes, Australia is the continent which is very small in shape, so that's why, and so that's why this island is very small, and around Australia there are oceans, so we match Australia to island continent. 3rd. Okay, student. Now come on the 4th of match the column. 4th, Arctic Ocean. Okay. Yes, Arctic Ocean is the ocean which is smallest in size, and definitely Pacific is the largest ocean. So student, match Arctic Ocean to the smallest ocean. Okay, and then after River Amazon. Yes, definitely all we know that what River Amazon, it is the 2nd largest river in the world who lies in South America. So here 5th. Is it clear, student? So first match the flowing of your exercise completed. Everybody now let us come on fill in the blanks. Okay, so come on, student. So yes, dash is only planet that support life. Everyone knows that yes, Earth is only the planet that support life in our solar system. So the answer is Earth. Okay, student. Now dash % of Earth is water. Yes, as we know that what 71% Okay, no need to write percentage because percentage is given here. 71% of earth is water and 29% is of course land. Okay students, now let us come on third, fill in the blanks. Dash is the second most populous continent in the world. Okay, first most populous continent in the world is Asia, and then after second most populous continent is the Africa. Okay, okay students, you all are getting my points? You have any doubt? Now let us come on question number 4 of fill in the blanks. Dash is the windiest continent. Yes, Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest and driest continent. Okay student, so here the answer is Antarctica. As we know that it is only the continent who is covered with ice and snow. Okay, so that's why it looks whitish and it is windiest continent and driest also. Now students, come on the fifth of in the blanks. Dash in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of the earth. Yes, Mariana Trench. The name is Mariana Trench, who is the deepest point of the earth. Who is the deepest point of the earth? Okay, Mariana Trench. Okay, is it clear? My writing is visible, student? Okay, I am writing here. Yes, it is more convenient. Now you can write. Okay, student? Okay, now student, come on. Question number C. Okay, in this question you have to choose, you have to tick out the correct option. Okay, now let's start. A big consolidated land mass on earth that consisted of all the present continents has, listen, the question is saying that today we have 7 continents, but scientists believed that before, it means in thousands of years ago, all the continent was at place, and all the continent was a single part, and the name of part is supercontinent. Okay student, so supercontinent is known as Pangaea. Okay, so that's why a big consolidated land mass on earth that consists all the present day continent has been named as Pangaea. Yes, it is our right answer. Okay, this is not supercontinent, this is subcontinent. Okay, so if instead of Pangaea, if it is supercontinent, then it may be the answer supercontinent and Pangaea. Okay, then now come on the question number 2, the third largest continent. Yes, first one is the Asia, largest continent, and then after Africa, and then after North America. Okay student, so the third largest continent is North America. Continent means large land mass, we called continent. Definitely. Now let us come on the third question. Dash has the shortest coastline of all the continents. Today we have 7 continents, and in 7 continents, name that continent, okay, which have shortest coastline. It means the boundary who touch with water. Okay, boundary who touch with water is known as coastline. Okay, so South America has the shortest coastline of all the continents. Is it clear, student? Okay, now let us come on question number 4. The largest ocean is the dash ocean. Obviously you have an option Pacific and Indian. Definitely, we all know that Pacific is the largest ocean. And then after a student, now let us come on question number 5. The dash ocean provide the major sea routes of the world. Only one ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so Indian Ocean provide major sea routes because it connect Mediterranean Sea with Suez Canal. Okay, it connect Pacific Ocean. Okay, so and Atlantic Ocean. Okay, okay student, now let us continue with a D type. Okay, and that is short question answer. Okay, yes, what percent of Earth's area is covered with water? Yes, just we done that question, same question in the fill in the blanks. What percent of Earth? Yes, we know that. What percent? 71%. What? 71% of the Earth's area is covered with water. So your answer should be 71% of the Earth. Okay, of the Earth. Okay, of the Earth's area is covered with water. Okay student, how many percentage of Earth? 71% of Earth's area is covered with water. Now name the largest and the smallest continent. Okay, yes, your answer should be what? Your answer should be, yes, yes, write down the answer. Yes, write down your second answer. Asia is the largest continents, and yes, Australia is the smallest continents of the Earth. Okay student, Asia is the largest and Australia is the definitely smallest. Okay, now let us come on, everybody read 10. Okay, everybody write it. I am giving you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now come on the next question. What is isthmus? Okay, before writing the answer isthmus, let us understand what is isthmus. Okay, so I am going to show you one image. Yes, let us see this image first of all, everybody. Yes, yes, see here, this is North America and this is South America. Okay student, and see here, both large land mass, it means continent, is connected with, see here, is connected with a strip of land. What? A strip of land. Okay, a strip of land. So this strip of land that connect two large land mass, okay, it means continent, then we called it isthmus. Okay students, now let us come on our question, and the name of isthmus is of course Panama. Isthmus, yes, what is isthmus? A strip of land connecting two large land masses, okay, a strip of land connecting two large land masses, okay, we called it isthmus, okay. Then after, students, your fourth question is, what connects North America to South America? Yes, definitely isthmus, but name that isthmus. Yes, your answer should be that, yes, Panama. What is the name of isthmus? Panama. So what is your answer? Your answer is Panama. How will you write? You will write Panama connects North America to South America. Is it clear? Okay. Now come on the next question. What are ocean? Large masses of water. Okay. Large, yes, you can say large water bodies are called ocean. So here our definition is, large water bodies are called ocean. Okay. Now name the largest ocean. Yes, definitely. Which is the largest ocean? Pacific. Pacific is the largest ocean. Okay, student. Now let us come on ocean. Ocean. Okay. Now let us come on the next question. What are continents? Okay. So yes, slide up. Yes, here is a question, student. Everybody written? Okay. Everybody take a screenshot. Okay. Now let us come on the next question. Your next question is, what are continents? Name 7 continents of the world in decreasing order. Okay. So students, I am going to answer E type. Okay. So first question of E type is, yes. Now let us see this question. E type question. Your question is, what are continents? Yes, right here. Your answer, what are continents? Large land mass. Okay. Large land masses are called, what called? Continents. Okay. First answer is completed. But now this question consists, okay, 2 questions. Name the 7 continents. Yes, everybody know 7 continents, but write in decreasing order. Decreasing order. Okay, it means in this way: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 5 is greater than 4, 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. Okay. This is known as decreasing order. And increasing order, 1, 2, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the increasing order. Okay. 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4. Okay. But yes, so student, follow this one. Okay. First, okay, we have to follow this one. Okay. Now first of all, in decreasing order, what we will write? We will write the largest, okay, continent. So the largest continent is Asia. okay, in decreasing order. Then after Asia is Africa. After Africa is North America. After North America is South America. After South America is, yes, use this symbol. This is the symbol of greater than, okay. North America is greater than in land mass compared to South America, and Africa is greater land mass compared to North America, and Asia has greater land mass compared to Africa. Now after South America, yes, right, Antarctica. Okay, and then after Europe, and the last one is Australia. Let us check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done, a student? Yes. Everybody written? In decreasing order, we have to write the largest number, then after a smallest, then a smallest, then a smallest, then a smallest. Okay. So this order is known as decreasing order. So Asia has the largest landmass, okay, in the world. Then after Africa, then after North America, then after South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Is it clear, student? Now everybody come on the second question. Describe some features of Antarctica. Okay, we have to write some features of Antarctica. Okay, so everybody now see the some features of Antarctica. Yes, write your answer here. Yes, first of all, yes, this is the answer of E-type question answer, question number 2. Okay, so E-type, and your question number is, and this is the answer of question number 2. Answer. Some features of Antarctica. The sum, okay, the sum features of Antarctica are, okay. Write down your first feature, A. It is the white continent. Okay, it is the white continent because here snow and ice are present, so it is the white continent. A. B, then after B, it is the coldest, okay, windiest and driest continent. Okay, features number C. Yes, it is the, okay, it is the fifth largest continent of the world. Okay, it is the fifth largest continent after Asia, Africa, North America, South America, then after, yes, Antarctica. D, a student, D features number D of Antarctica is many countries have set up, many countries have set up their laboratories, okay, research laboratories in Antarctica. Many countries have set up their research laboratories okay, many countries have set up their research laboratories here. Okay student, is it clear? First is it is white continent, second is it is coldest, windiest and driest continent, okay, due to ice. It is the fifth largest continent, just I explained. Many countries have set up their research laboratories to study about Antarctica. Okay student? Now a student, now everybody come on the next question, okay? Your next question is write 3 sentences about Indian Ocean. 3 sentences about Indian Ocean. Three sentences about Indian Ocean. Yes, everybody write. First sentence. Your first sentence is it provides major sea route, okay, it provides major sea route. This is the first sentence about Indian Ocean. Student, now come on the second point. Yes, second point about Indian Ocean is this: it is the third largest ocean. Okay, it is the third largest ocean. Okay student, now yes, we know that first is Pacific and the second is Atlantic Ocean, and then after, yes, Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean. And a student, last point about Indian Ocean is it is covering 20% of Earth's water surface. Okay. Okay, how many percent? 20%. It is covering 20% of Earth's water surface. Is it clear student? Now, yes, let us come on the last question. Write a short note on the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean means Antarctic Ocean. Okay student? Southern Ocean means Antarctic Ocean. Okay. So yes, write the question. Yes, E-type and answer fourth answer. Okay, let us check fourth or third. Yes, fourth answer. And I am writing about Southern Ocean. Okay, so first of all write it is also known as yes, this is first point about Southern Ocean. It is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Is it clear? It is the first point about Southern Ocean, because Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Okay, and second, we know Antarctic Ocean as Southern Ocean, but The question is why it is known as Southern Ocean, because it lies in southern hemisphere. If we divide the earth into two halves, the upper part is northern hemisphere and the lower part is southern hemisphere. So what? So Antarctic Ocean lies in southern hemisphere. So it is the second point. It is in the southern hemisphere. Okay, student? Okay? And the third point is your last point. It gets water. It gets water through merging of Pacific Ocean, okay, first Atlantic Ocean, okay, and Indian Ocean. Okay, student? Yes. To understand this line, let us see one image. Yes. Yes. Everybody see here. This is Southern Ocean. Okay. Here is Indian Ocean. A. Here is Atlantic Ocean. B. Okay. And here is Pacific Ocean. C. When A plus B plus C, then we get Southern Ocean. Okay. And it is near to Antarctica. So that's why it is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Okay. What we called it? We called it Antarctic Ocean. Okay. Now student, come on the next question. Yes. Everybody now come here. Yes. A student, yes, this is question, this is your homework, okay, and you have to do this question, okay, this is your homework. If you had the choice to live on any one continent, which one would you choose? Okay, and it has different answer, so that's why you have to do this question, okay, because this question is based on your choice. Okay, so now let us see some more questions of this exercise. And here, come here, you have to, yes, you have to explore the 7 continents and answer the some questions. 7 continent, Asia, you have to write 2 most populous, it means where having population. Asia, in Asia, the 2 most populous countries is, first one is China, populated country, and then after second is India. Is it clear, student? Second continent, Africa. Yes, write the 2 deserts of Africa. First one, as we know, Sahara. Okay, what? Sahara, Kalahari, and then after Kalahari Desert, which is also in Africa. Okay, student? Now, come on the next question. Mountain range of North America. Mountain range. Yes, first one is Rockies. Okay, and then after Appalachian. Okay student, now come on the next question. South America, important countries. Okay, important countries of South America is, first one is Brazil, and then after Colombia. Okay, now come on the next question. Yes, and about fifth continent, Europe. Right, the two important cities of Europe. Yes, first one is Paris and second one is London. Okay, now student, come on the sixth. Yes, sixth continent, about Australia. Important cities of Australia: Sydney and Melbourne. Okay, everybody written? Last question, a student, about Antarctica. Unique feature. It is the white continent. This is the first feature about Antarctica, and the second one is, after that, yes, it is the coldest physical features. Okay, a student, in this class we exercised all the question answer of chapter 1, that is, yes, everybody see the name of this chapter. Okay, yes, this is the name of chapter, a student, Earth, the blue planet. A student, today in this class we completed exercise question answer of chapter 1, that is Earth, the blue planet, of class 5. So everybody, please go through the question answer and make your fair notebook. So okay, so everybody take care. So from this we come to end. Okay student, so everybody take care. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.